Hey guys, so in the last video we did a drawing of a hieroglyph, a Mayan hieroglyph, and the hieroglyph was for chocolate, which is awesome. So I want to show you now how we can use that hieroglyph drawing in a different way. So I have the drawing here, I've got some glue. PVA glue works even better than this, but I thought everybody at home will have this, so I'm going to try to use this. All I've done is glue on top of here. We'll keep the lid on, you must always keep the lid on your glue. And then all we're going to do here is get some string. We're going to put the string onto the lines. So where all the lines are, we are going to glue string. Okay, so glue, scissors, 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 cut the string, stick it all down. I'm going to get on with this and I'll see you in a mo. So that was quite fiddly, to be honest, and your fingers get all gluey and it's quite tricky sometimes to get right in, but well worth it when it's done, because we can use this now to print with. So we've created a printing block. So all these little areas that stand up, you can run along your hand, you can feel that they're all sticking up now. These lines will print for us, and I'll show you about that in the next video. So string printing. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind, but it means I can make more videos. Ring the bell if you want me to let you know when I've made another one. Here's your top tip. Top tip! Hey guys, so top tip. I have cut out my string print and I have glued it onto a piece of cardboard. That way, when you press it down to print with, it just keeps it nice and rigid, and then hopefully only the string is going to print onto the paper or whatever it is you're using it for, and not the paper as much. So there you go, there's your top tip.